Hello everyone, welcome to Delicacies in DIY. Let's make Jeera rice. For this recipe, you don't require basmati rice. You can use any variety of rice that you have at hand. Heat 1.5 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 cups of rice. I have washed and soaked it for 25 minutes. Give a quick stir. Add 3 cups of water. Mix well. Salt to taste. Cover with the lid and cook for 4 whistles. The number of whistles may vary for different pressure cookers, so cook accordingly. Just make sure not to overcook the rice. Open the lid once the steam is evaporated and stir gently. Add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander. Mix everything gently. Flavorful jeera rice is ready. Enjoy with your favorite gravy based sabzi or dal tadka or any curry that you like. Enjoyed the video so far? Quickly hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel.